This thing is like butter. What's up, YouTube, and welcome back for another 2-minute tool review. Today I have the pleasure of reviewing the Milwaukee Fuel M12 impact driver with the 1/4 inch quick release hex here. Bottom line is I love this tool. For the price, which is usually around 90 to 100 bucks depending on the deals going on that day. So it's great for DIYer, but we love using this in a professional setting. What it lacks in power, it makes up for in being portable and compact, and I can keep this thing on me all day. Batteries come out nice and easy, and they also sell these larger 4 amp hour batteries, which, usually I'll keep that on there. With one of these batteries on here, this whole tool comes to just over 2 pounds. So if you're doing any kind of overhead work, even just want to keep this tool on you all day without it wearing too much on your belt or on your pocket, then this is a great tool to keep accessible. Will it replace the M18? Maybe not in all scenarios, but for a wide range of uses, I love this tool. So here I have a lag bolt and a old growth piece of lumber here. You can see I'm gonna drill right here. I'm gonna pop this bit right in there. Super easy. Let's see how this thing goes. So as you can see, this thing's got quite a bit of power on it. I don't know if I would use a paddle bit and bore through boards all day with it, but for driving fasteners, this thing's awesome. We love this tool. Why are you getting so close? Give me that. Guys. So if you found this review useful, check out the affiliate link in our description and hit us with a like. If you really like us, hit that subscribe button, and maybe you too can keep this thing on ya. Is that cool? Am I cool? No, that's not cool, huh? Hey guys, where's the M12? Oh, so light. Sorry.